So today I'm going to be teaching my brother how to mix slime, but I already poured the glue, but I'm going to put you in a different spot so you guys can see. So I just got him. He's right here with his glue. This is his channel, but I have another channel. There's Maria Hernandez, but the two letters M is capital, and then H is capital from the other, but it's M Mary Hernandez. So go get one of the food colors instead for blue because I already made blue. Because
I'm only get two colors I poured.
I poured green and blue.
I'm gonna pour green and red. Yeah, green and red.
So I'll be right back when he comes with. So my brother decided to use
Yellow because we haven't wasted the blood.
yellow.
We haven't wasted the blood, right? Right.
So
Can I pour it?
yes, you are.
Can I pour
You're gonna pour 2 dots.
2 dots?
There. And then where's the mixing tool?
That marker. Is it a marker?
Yes.
Is it a marker?
Go get another one. Be careful, you're not gonna drop the water.
We need to get this water out and with the tap too.
I don't know. We're gonna come back when he does his so he's gonna mix it. So I'm gonna put it closer to him. Sorry. Here. Hold it.
Mix it?
Yes, I'm not trying to be in your video because you're making it, not me. It's gonna make orange with yellow mixed together, like orange yellow. It's gonna be hard to activate it. There. 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 Now it's time to add the surprise, which is the.
It's me.
No, I'm pouring it, and then you mix.
Really do it. You fall one time, I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna break you. Mix it?
Yep.
Ah, see, it's nasty. It's nasty.
I'm putting the whole entire activator. Do you ever feel plastic bag?
Oh my goodness, it's getting stuck to them.
Yes, it is. Okay. Chachi was sticky for you. Damn, bro. It's sticky for you.
More activator. Put it. It's jiggly. So jiggly.
No, it's because there's water on it. He made a tiny one because that's all.
Glue.
Yeah, this is all the glue. But it's not mine, it's his because I made it with my glue. But I'm going to let him keep it. We're going to come back when we clean this mess. So we're back and my brother's just gone. We just cleaned this. We're cleaning it with towels now because, yeah. Throw in the trash can right here.
LeBron.
Really, you making a mess in my room.
I'll free the bucket. Never mind, it's not getting wet. Oh my goodness, it hurts.
It still hurts?
Yeah.
Sorry, you seen that? Watch a slow-mo about it. What? Why are you guys so quiet?
Maybe no. Then that's gonna make it worse.
What?
This much, like really.
Okay, you ready to touch it?
No. Yeah.
Here. Wait, let me get it off my hands. What did you just pour in there? What did you just do in my activator? Why would you pour that in there?
Cause I was like this. LeBron James.
Here.
My hands are wet.
Really, we're gonna come back. So we're back, and I'm gonna give him this line. I'm gonna play with mine too. Oh my gosh, I have
Good.
bubbles in the front.
So good. Look, I'm gonna have it over me. Oh yeah, so good. It's so good.
It is?
Yeah, it's so good.
Not sticky anymore because I had a lot of activator for an accident. Because it was super
See,
sticky.
when you have more glue, can we put more glue on it?
Yep.
I do some karate bullshit.
You want to bake it big?
Yeah. Are you sure it's gonna make a good color?
I don't know. Don't tell me.
It looks cool when we mix it up. Look at this color. It's so hard.
You see that?
Have you ever seen? Have you ever?
So thank you for watching. Go follow my channel.